Oh, I'm excited to see this. I haven't seen it. You guys excited? Because I haven't seen this shit yet. Oh, there we go. Here we go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I shot this video actually 4 days ago. It was Labor Day weekend. I didn't really have a chance to film the intro, do the outro, edit everything. It was a lot because, like I said, if you guys watched the last video, you guys saw I moved. So it's just been hectic, moving, cleaning, unpacking, fixing everything around the house. Everything is still all over the place, so just trying to get everything done. And yesterday was just finally a good relaxed day. I really needed it, so I didn't want to edit a video and kind of burn myself out. But I'm going to be posting it today, and then we should be back on schedule. My next video will definitely be the 0 to 60 times, because I know a lot of people want to see it. I actually want to see it because I'm actually very curious to see what my 0 to 60 times are now. So definitely gonna be doing that in the next video. But this video is a custom strut bar that I bought from Grocery Getter Racing. It took about 4 to 5 weeks to get it. Honestly, it looks so good though. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what's on it, so stay tuned in the video, you'll see it. But there's no performance behind it. It's just something that looks really good in your engine bay. So when you go to car shows, you can pop the hood, people see it. You can get anything that you want on it. He does customizable lettering, numbers, whatever you want to put, symbols. People do like crazy like Spider-Man faces, Venom, whatever your car's named after, he could pretty much do it. The guy's name I think is Enrique. He might call himself Ricky. Really nice guy. Dealt him on Instagram, so if you want to check him out, it's Grocery Getter Racing on Instagram. It'll show all his stuff. And yeah, so let's just get into the video. Daisy, why you keep licking my leg? Why are you always licking my leg? What are you guys doing? Alright, so here is the package. Let's bring it over here in this room. There's more room over here. Alright, gonna put the box down. Here we go. I really have not seen this yet. So you can see I'm taking out the wrap. I don't know, tissue paper or cardboard paper, whatever it is. Taking it out. I haven't seen anything yet. I gotta make sure I watch where I put this stuff, because otherwise these guys are gonna get it. Oh, I'm excited to see this. I haven't seen it. You guys excited? Because I haven't seen this shit yet. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Oh. Let's get it out. All right, let's get out of the box. All right, so you guys can see, look how wrapped well this is. So I have not seen it. There's tape. It says, before unwrapping your custom parts, we would like to thank you for allowing us to be part of making your vision become reality. Grocery Getter Racing takes great pride in work that is done. And more importantly, the satisfaction of our customers is number one. Again, thank you for your business. Oh, it's actually pretty sick. I like that. It's a nice little touch. All right, so here it is, the strut bar. Unfortunately, Brooke is not here right now, so I'm gonna have to open this and then show you guys what it looks like. It looks like a sticker, a card. Owner is Ricky. They do strut bars, hood, trunk props, door props. So maybe I'll get some stuff in the future, but Grocery Getter Racing. That's them right there on Instagram. Check it out. I'm sure I'll probably be on there once I post this. Once I get on the car and I post some pictures and video, whatever. Let me unwrap this right now and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And here we go, guys. So I wanted to match the B5 blue. There's the Lago SRT, 392 on that side, and 392 on that side. I ended up going with the white strut bar because I do have some white parts coming, and I think it's just going to perfectly just set off everything. And I'm going to show you this once we get outside and I'm ready to install it. I'll show you exactly what it looks like, but for right now, I'm just going to show you right now in the bubble wrap because I don't want to get scratched up before I put it in there. It should be a simple install. I think the bolts are already in the Jeep, so it should be pretty quick. So let me wait for Brooke to get home and then I'll be installing this on the car. Alright guys, so we're outside. I brought everything out. Here is the strut bar. As you can see, there's some pieces here. like some holes, so that's where it's gonna attach. I got the Jeep, I got the hood open, it's in the driveway. Got a fresh car wash because tomorrow we're doing something really cool. I'm not gonna say what it is, but it's pretty sick. It's gonna be big for me. It was something I was hoping was gonna happen, and it finally did. Well, it finally is gonna happen, so I'm excited for that. So just looking at it, the strut brace is gonna attach over here on this side, and it will be to this side over here. Hopefully this heat shield right here doesn't affect it too much. We haven't looked at the engine bay in a while, so if you guys remember, I put the billet, I fixed the billet hoses, so now it looks a little better. I mean, it's still a lot, but it definitely looks better than before. So that's the current setup. And I think the white's gonna pop really nice in here because I do have some custom valve covers coming. I don't know exactly when they're gonna be here, but I got some custom painted ones being done, so that'll eventually show up. But yeah, let's get this install started. We're gonna check this out. I think it's just gonna be these big bolts over here, so it should line up like that. So it should be these two big bolts right here that come out. And let me make sure it fits the other side the same. We're gonna have a little problem with this heat shield. Of course, nothing is ever simple.
Never.
Damn, that really...
You didn't measure it out yet?
That really sucks.
We'll come back.
Let's see how this is gonna fit. Just test out this side. So I removed the piece that holds the heat shield. Hopefully it gives me enough room to work over here. So this is actually a little tight. This heat shield is still a problem.
You got it though, you're right there.
Okay. So it should line up. So it should line up this way. Alright guys, so we lined up the side. You guys can see it right here. Come see it. So it fits on these black pieces. Then the two silver ones we took out, we got to put back in. Just like that. So let me tighten up these real quick. This one's gonna fix
Let's
it.
time lapse on this.
How the hell am I gonna tighten this one? I can't even get the fucking bolt. All right, guys, so finally got it installed. You guys can see it there. The bolts there, 392, centered. Right there. And then comes on this side, right there. The heat shield's a little bit of a pain in the ass. Maybe eventually I might switch the kit, but for now, this is the way it looks. Adds a little bling in there. It's beautiful.
Pretty.
Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. It was a very simple install. The way he sets up the strut bar, it lines up perfectly in there. You just got to take off 2 bolts on each side and then make sure you just tighten them back down once you have it all lined up. It's very, very simple. I love the way it came out. It looks great. So like I said, the last couple of weeks have been crazy. I haven't been on my normal posting schedule, which is usually Monday, Thursday. So today I'm posting, it's Tuesday. So I'm going to try to post again on Thursday. It might be tough for me, so you know, just give me a little bit of time, but I'll definitely be back on the same schedule once I'm all settled in. Next video is definitely gonna be the 0 to 60. Everybody wants to see it. I actually want to see it. So it's 100% gonna happen. I just gotta find a place that I could do it over here, and we'll definitely get that done. So definitely hit the bell below, that way your post notifications are on, that way you guys know when I post the video, because just in case it's not Thursday, I'll probably have it Friday or Saturday. But I'm definitely gonna get it done. So if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll definitely catch you guys in the next video. Peace.